Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to turn off read receipts on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. In the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Now, scroll down and tap on Messages and Story Replies. In this menu, look for the Show Read Receipts option. You'll see a toggle switch next to Show Read Receipts. By default, this is usually turned on, which means people can see when you've read their messages. Tap on the toggle switch to turn it off. The switch will turn gray, indicating that read receipts are now disabled. Once disabled, people will no longer be able to see when you've read their direct messages on Instagram. Your privacy is now protected. And that's it. You've successfully turned off read receipts on Instagram. You can always come back and turn them on again if you change your mind. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.